ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ. We have seen our last class, There is Eagle by the tracks. Let's see, dear students, today's class, Gentlemen of Rio and Medio. Gentlemen of Rio and Medio. Rio and Medio is the place of in Mexico. Mexico, it comes in United States of America. Mexico, this Mexico is in United States of America. United States of America. This lesson was written by Juan A. Cedillo. Juan A. Cedillo. The author, he was born in the year 1902 and he took his last breath 1982. Was born in New Mexico. He worked as a lawyer and held public office. He wrote about the Mexico and southwestern United States. The above story is based on an actual legal case. How this old man became a gentleman. About he has written A. Cedillo, the legal case about the gentleman. The gentleman, he was one of the old man in Rio and Medio. The Rio and Medio, it comes in New Mexico. It's in America. United States of America, it's also is called. Let's see here some of important points for here. The first one, it comes there, gentleman. Now, who is the gentleman for here? The old man is the gentleman. Old man is the gentleman for here. Old man is the gentleman. The old man is a Don Anselmo here. His name is Anselmo. Actually, Don means, it is a Spanish word. It is a Spanish word in a respected word. It is there. A respected word like us, sir. Like sir. It is a respected word like us. A dark boy, a young man who lives with the supported of the old man. And the children of the Rio and Medio. This Rio and Medio, it comes in USA. And the people of mountain. Where is this Rio and Medio of the place? It is Rio and Medio is the place of name of the place. It is the name of the place, Rio and Medio. It is in USA, United States of America. The people of mountain, where those people live in America, it is in Rio and Medio. That is the name of the place of Rio and Medio. It's in upon that mountain. This old man, but he wanted to sell, but he was not hurried to sell his property. But he just informed that lawyer. That lawyer is A. Cedillo. But he wanted to sell his land. And house for $1,200 only. For $1,200 he wanted to sell his house and land. But what happens in the next story? Let's see, dear students, here what happens the next. Who comes there again? Let's see. Let's see what about the gentleman's story of in this lesson. Dear students, let's go there. It took months of negotiation to come to an understanding with the old man. He was in no hurry. He was no he was in no hurry. What he had the most of was time. He lived up in Rio and Medio, where his people had been for hundreds of years. He tilled the same land they had tilled. His house was small and wretched, but the quaint. The little creek ran through his land. His orchard was nailed and beautiful. Dear students, what he tells here is Sedilo. If it wants to come the discussion, it took months of time. It has taken to come to an understanding and come to final whether he want to sell, whether he don't want to sell. It wants to say the properly. It comes to a decision. It take a month of time. It took month of time of negotiation means ವ್ಯವಹಾರ ಮಾಡುವಂತ. To come to an understanding with the old man, he was in no hurry. What he had the most of was time, but he has a lot of time, but he had no hurry to sell his land. But he, first of all, actually, he don't want to sell his land, but he wanted to sell, but there is no hurry to sell his land. He lived up, he lived up in Rio and Medio. Rio and Medio, it is the name of the place where his people had been for hundreds of years, where his family of the old mans, his family were the old mans, they were lived in Rio and Medio since in hundred of years, ನೂರಾರು ವರ್ಷಗಳಿಂದ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಸವಾಗಿದ್ದಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ the old mans of the relatives and his parents. He tilled the same land. Till means ಉಳುವೆ ಮಾಡು ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. He tilled the same land they had tilled. His house was small and wretched. Dear students, his house was there. It was a small house and wretched. Wretched means it was not like that insufficient house was there, but quaint. Quaint means it is unpleasant. It's not a happiness there. Here is it. Wretched means unpleasant, unusual and attractive, especially in an old-fashioned way. So wretched, quaint means it is one of the old-fashioned house was there. The little creek also was there. It was a moving water creek. It's going from there. Little creek ran through his land, and his arch was nailed and beautiful. Dear students, nail means a branch of tree with twisted hard lumps. See, his land was there very beautiful, and he tilled that land very beautiful and made it nice of his orchard. Orchard means ಹಣ್ಣಿನ ತೋಟ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. He planted the beautiful of some of the trees in that orchard. Dear students, the day of the sale he came into the office, but he decided to come to an understanding, but he came to discussion and he wants to sell for his land. He came to that office. After what he tells that in second para, we must see here, in the second para, what he tells there, the day of the sale he came into the office. His coat was old. Dear students, he wore a very old coat. He wore the coat also there. His coat was there very old, was there, green and faded. I thought of Senator Catron, who has been such a power with these people up there in the mountains. Perhaps it was one of his old Prince Albert. He wore gloves. They were old and torn, and his fingertips showed through them. He carried a cane, but it was only the skeleton of a worn out umbrella. Behind him walked one of his innumerable kin, a dark young man with eyes like a gazelle, like how his eyes like a gazelle. Okay, dear students, here where he lived there in Rio and Medio, then he decided to sell his land. He decided to sell his land. He came into the office. His coat was old. Which one he wore his coat? It was old coat was there, and it happened like that. It is there an old green and fade ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಮಾಸಿ ಹೋದ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. I thought of Senator Catton. Senator Catton means where he lived in, like his name was there, Thomas Benton Catton, a senator from New Mexico. New Mexico. He was there. See, in the year 1912 to 1912 to 1917 he was lived there in Mexico. His name is there. uh, Senator Catton, who has been such a power with these people of there in the mountain. Perhaps it was one of his old Prince Albert. How he was there, this senator, Senator Catton, he was one of the king of those men, one of the king of this, those who lived in that in Rio and Medio of the peoples. He wore, see, he wore gloves, he wore gloves, they wore old and torn. Which one he wore? The hand gloves, those were torn already. And his fingertips showed off them. He carried a cane. Cane means is there where he took his in his hand supported to walk for him. That is called cane. But it was only the skeleton of a worn out umbrella. But how it was there? Which one he has? Which he has that in umbrella in his hand? That cane was there. It happened like that. To torn all that umbrella's cloth. It was torn out of that sun. And it looks like only for skeleton ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಬರೀ ಕಡ್ಡಿಗಳಂತ ನಾವು ಕರಿತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಬರೀ ಅದು ಅಂಬ್ರೆಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಹರಿದೋಗೇನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಕಡ್ಡಿಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾತ್ರ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತಂತೆ. ಸೊ behind him walked one of his innumerable means one of his old relative means ಅತಿ ಸಲಿಗೆ ಅಂತಲೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Innumerable kin, a dark young man. How he was there? A dark young man with eyes like a gazelle. His eyes like a gazelle. Gazelle means we can call it's a very big eyes like in deer. ನಾವು ಜಿಂಕೆಗಳ ಕಣ್ಣು ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಲ್ಲ, so that is called his eyes were there. So how you stayed there? See next, let's go there, third para. The old man bowed to all of us in the room. See, it's a telling, this is a schedule is telling. When he entered in the room, he bowed to all. Bow means namaskarisu anta. Then he removed his hat and gloves slowly and carefully, like a chaplain once did that in a picture in a bank. He was the janitor. Then he handed his things to the boy who stood obediently behind the old man's chair. Who was staying with him always? That old man with the old man. Who was living there? The young dark man. There was living with him always a young dark man. When he entered in the room, he removed his hand gloves and hat and what he has that something and coat, everything also removed, and he gave his who was living with him is the dark young boy. Young man was there. He took in his hand and he hanged that in that room was the hanger. After that he stood behind the old man's chair. That young dark man, he stood behind the old man's chair. Then Let's go to there. It's in United States of America. Yes. Now, a scheduler tells here, uh, the old man, the old man. There was a great deal of conversation about Rain and his family. He was very proud of his large family. Who was the proud of his family? The old man. The old man's family, it was very big family, and he was very proud here of this families. It came a conversation. It came a conversation about this. He wants to sell for here. Finally, we got down to business. Then they decided to make a decision of buying that land. Yes, he would sell as he had agreed. He had agreed to sell for his land $1,200. For how many dollars he wanted to sell his land there? He wanted to sell for his land and $1,200 in cash. We would buy, and the money was ready, down and sell more. It is said here the Americans and those who are the lawyer was there of this lessons speaker. A Cedillo tells here, down and sell more. We are ready to buy your land. How many dollars you have told to sell for your land? For the $1,200, we are ready to take for your land, but your cash is ready for here. I said to him in Spanish. He said in Spanish word it is there. He said in Spanish word it is there. Don and Selma. Don means I told you there. I told there. Don means it is a respected word like in sir. I told you there. It is a respected word like in and sir. I told you there. Then we have made a discovery. But one thing he is going to say. This one is that we have made a discovery. You remember that we sent that surveyor, that engineer up there to survey your land so as to make the deed. Well, he finished that you own more than 8 acres. But he is saying here is the speaker of this lesson. A.A. Cedillo is telling here, your land is more than 8 acres land. More than 8 acres. We made it a surveyor. By our surveyor, our engineer had told us your land is more than 8 acres. He tells us that your land extends across the river and that you own almost twice as much as you thought. But here the speaker is telling the old man, how he is telling here, but your land is more than 8 acres, but we are ready to buy your lands. But your land is extends means is the extra ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗಿದೆ. How it is there? Your land is not only this side, your land is across the river. ಆ ನೀರೇನು ಹರಿತಾ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಕೊಳವೆ ಏನಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ನದಿ ಏನಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ದಾಟಿ ಆ ಕಡೆಗೂ ಕೂಡ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಭೂಮಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದನ್ನು ಸ್ಪೀಕರ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಆಗ ಬಟ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ರೆಡಿ ಟು ಬೈ ಯುವರ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ದೆನ್ 8 acres. So that's why our Americans, they thought to buy your land by giving the twice of your money. We thought to give for you double money. He did not know that, and no, Don and Selmo. Don and Selmo. I added these Americans are benevolent. They are good people, and they are willing to pay you for the additional land as well, at the same rate per acre. So that instead of $1,200, you will get almost twice as much, and the money is here for you. See here, the speaker tells here the old man, these Americans, benevolent means good people. These Americans, I told you, no, Americans are the good people, so that's why I told to sell for them. These Americans are the good people. They are the benevolent, and they are willing to pay for additional land as well at the same rate per acre. Down in Sinna, what you thought you want to sell your land for the $1,200, but they accepted that one. but your land is more than 8 acres, but they are willing to pay for you the more than 8 acres of that remaining. So instead of extra your land was there, no? That's also they are get ready to pay for you the twice money, double money. So that instead of $1,200 you will get almost twice as much, and the money is for you. It is telling A. Cedillo to Don Anselmo, your land is expense, you will get the twice money, almost twice as much, and the money is for here, money is ready for you ಅಂತ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಮಾತನ್ನೇ ಇಲ್ಲಿ A. Cedillo ಡಾನ್ ಎನ್ಸೆಲ್ಮೋ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರ್ತಾನೆ. Then what he tells there, Don Anselmo, what he give the his answer will be there. The old man, see here is this. The old man hung his head for a moment in thought. The old man, he thinks himself little of time. He hung his head like that. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೊತ್ತು ವಿಚಾರ ಮಾಡಿ ತಲೆಯನ್ನು ಅಲ್ಲಾಡಿಸ್ತಾನೆ. Then he stood up and stared at me. And stood up and stared at me. Who is there at me? Who is there at me? A. Cedillo. He tells, the old man tells to A. Cedillo, friend, he said. Friend, he said. Who said it is there? The old man said here, I don't like to have you speak to me in that manner. I kept still and let him have his say. I know this. I know this. Here the old man tells to that A. Cedillo, I don't like to you have to I don't like to you how you speak to me in that manner. I kept still and let him how is say. I will say, I know this. He tells here, ಈ ರೀತಿ ನೀನು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಸರಿಯಲ್ಲ, ಮಾತಾಡಬೇಡ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. I know these are everything also. But Americans are good people, and that is why Americans are the good people. ಯಾಕೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? Why I have agreed to sell to them? ನಾನು ಅವರಿಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಜನರನ್ನು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಾನು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಯಾಕೆ ನಾನು ಮಾರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಹೇಳು? But I don't care to be insulted. I have agreed to sell my house and land for $1,200. For $1,200, and that is the price. But I decided my house and land I wanted to sell only for the $1,200. That is my price. But I don't care to be insulted. ಈ ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡಿ ನನಗೆ ಇನ್ಸಲ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಮಾತನ್ನು ಡಾನ್ ಎನ್ಸೆಲ್ಮೋ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? A. Cedillo ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. I have agreed to sell my house and land for $1,200. Enough. ನನ್ನ ಮನೆ ಮತ್ತು ನನ್ನ ಭೂಮಿ ನಾನು ಎಷ್ಟಿಗೆ ಮಾರಬೇಕಂತ ನಾನು ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. I wanted to sell only for here $1,200. And that is the price. That is the price. Here I argued with him, but it was useless. Again here tells this is there. A. Cedillo speaks again here. Argued, ವಾದಿಸ್ತಾನೆ, ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಏನು ಪ್ರಯೋಜನ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಯೂಸ್ಲೆಸ್. Finally he signed the deed and took the money. Deed means ಕರಾರು ಪತ್ರ. Deed means ಕರಾರು ಪತ್ರ. Finally he signed that. ಕರಾರ ಪತ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನೇನು ಬರೀಬೇಕೆಲ್ಲ ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ ಬರೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿ. He took the money. He took the money and refused. Here this is very important for here. But refused to take more than the amount agreed upon. ಆದರೆ ಅವನು ಎಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಅವನು ಮಾರಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ನೋ, he thought there only for that is his land and house was there $1,200. But he took only for the $1,200. But he refused there to take more than $1,200. He refused there means ನಿರಾಕರಿಸ್ತಾನೆ. Then he shook hands all around, put on his ragged gloves. ಅವನು ಹರಿದಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಬಟ್ಟೆ, ಆ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಗ್ಲೋವ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಧರಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾನೆ, ಹಾಕ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾನೆ. took a stick and walked out with the boy behind him. Again he started to wear his hand gloves and wore his coat. And who was with him? The young boy, the dark young boy. He asked him to come with me. Then he went out. Then he walked out with the boy behind him. ಹಾಗೆ ರೂಮಿನಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲರನ್ನು ಆ ದುಡ್ಡನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡು $1,200 ಅನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಎಲ್ಲರನ್ನು ನಮಸ್ಕರಿಸಿ ತನ್ನ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಗ್ಲೌಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಕೋಟನ್ನು ಹಾಕ್ಕೊಂಡು ತನ್ನ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಕೋಲನ್ನಿರ್ತದೆ ದಟ್ own that's an umbrella like in skeleton it has told there cane was there. He took his stick and he walked out with behind that dark young man. Let's see dear students in next para what happens in the next video. So thank you for watching this my video. So keep watching and try to subscribe this channel. It comes in new videos also, no problem. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting my teachers also. Thank you for supporting and blessing to me. Thanks.